Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to archive Trello cards and lists to keep your boards clean and organized, and how to unarchive them when you need to access them again. But before we dive in, let's quickly go over onto what Trello is all about and what archiving means in Trello. So, Trello in here is a powerful visual project management tool that will help you organize tasks, projects, and workflows using boards, lists, and card. So, this is widely used for personal productivity, team collaboration, and project management. So, as you can see, we're currently onto a workspace already, and I am on my master board. So, these are the following lists that I have onto my board: the to do, in progress, done, and list one, and I have different cards inside each list. So, an explanation of what archiving is all about. So these will allow you to hide cards from your active board without permanently deleting them. So this is useful for keeping your board clean and focused while still retaining the ability to retrieve those archive items when needed. Now, there are actually a lot of steps or different steps that you could try out to archive a specific card or list. Now, let's start with the cards in here. So, as you can see here in progress, if I want to go ahead and archive card one, let's simply click onto that and you'll get redirected onto all of its details. To archive this, here onto its right side, you'll just need to scroll down and you should be able to find in the option to archive this specific card. Now, to undo that, you should be able to click onto this one, which says send to board, and it will go ahead and unarchive the specific card. So another process that you could do, if you hover onto each card in here, then you should be able to see a stylus onto its right side. So this stylus, if you click onto that, there should be a lot of options that will open up for you, including the archive. So if you click onto that, it will go ahead and archive that specific card that you have in here. And there is actually another faster step on how you should be able to archive a specific card. So what you need to do, you'll just need to hover onto each card and onto your keyboard. You'll just need to click onto see in there and it should go ahead and archive the card. So it should show you a pop-up message just like this and it will give you an option to undo the archive that you did onto a specific card. Now, since we have archived card 1 earlier and we were not able to undo that, for us to be able to see all of the cards that you have archived, you'll just need to head here onto the upper right corner of the screen. You should be able to see these three dots. Click onto that and you should be able to find all of the archive items that you have in here. We have card 1 in here and you have two options right after you archive a specific card. So we have send to board. So this will undo it and we have the delete. So let's send this one back to the board. And as you can see, it is back onto our list, which is in progress. And you'll just need to go ahead and delete it if you want to permanently delete the specific one. So if you click onto delete, then it will be removed from the activity feed and you won't be able to reopen this card. And there is no undo button for this one. So let's click onto delete onto that one. So as you can see, we have retrieved this back again, the card one. But if you want to go ahead and do a whole list of archive, then here's what you need to do. So there's a three dots here onto the upper right corner of the screen. So archiving a whole list, this is actually done when you have finished all of the tasks onto a specific list. So this is actually made through done list. So let's try that one onto my done list in here. Click onto the three dots in here. And if you scroll down, we have archive this list and archive all cards in this list. So if you choose archive this list, it will go ahead and archive all of the specific lists in here. So if you just opt for all cards in this list, you'll still have the done list here onto your board, but all of the cards onto this one will be removed and be sent off onto our archive list. So let's just choose archive all cards in this list in here. So let's archive cards in there. And as you can see, it has been removed already. But let's try also in here to archive this list. And as you can see, the list has been archived. So the same thing that you could do, you'll just need to head onto the three dots again in here and onto archive items. You should be able to find all of the cards in here. So since we've chosen earlier to archive all of the cards onto that specific list, then as you can see, it is individually sent in here. But since we have archived the specific list earlier, which is in progress, you'll just need to switch to list in here. So as you can see, we have the in progress list in here, and you'll have an option as well to send this back to the board. So as you can see here, onto the archive list, there are actually a search bar as well so that you should be able to retrieve it easily. So for example, you're searching for card 4. You'll just need to type in card in here and you should be able to find the specific card that you're looking for in here. So just use specific keyword for that. And also, if you archive a specific list, you'll still have an option to go ahead and search that one in here. So for example, we're searching for card 4. Could still be able to search that one, click onto this, and it will show also that this card is archived. So as long as you still haven't permanently deleted it, you should still be able to see the details onto this one. So that step as well is an easy access if you want to go ahead and try to retrieve this back again or permanently delete that specific card. So as you can see, we have retrieved that back again in here. And those are just basically the steps on how you archive Trello cards and lists and how you unarchive it. And if you think those steps are helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.